In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos with consistent characters in Grok Imagine. Open your browser, head to grok.com, sign in, and open the Imagine section, the workspace where you write a prompt and Grok generates visuals, including video on supported plans. You'll see a canvas with a prompt field and generation controls. For consistency, we'll focus on how you write the prompt. In Imagine, click into the prompt box. The key to consistency is a clear, repeatable block of character details you reuse. Put those details first, then describe the scene. Keep that block identical from scene to scene so the model knows who to render every time. Consider saving this character block in a note so you can paste it before any new scene description. Start with a stable name. Set character name to Aiko. Use that exact name in every prompt so Grok ties all shots to the same persona rather than inventing variations. Even small spelling changes can nudge the model toward a different design, so keep it uniform. Lock the appearance. Specify that she's a young anime-style girl with long blue hair and green eyes, wearing a casual hoodie and jeans. Concrete anchors like hair length and color, eye color, and a fixed outfit are essential. Don't change or omit them later, even if the background or action shifts. If you want to vary lighting, camera angle, or setting, keep those notes in the scene section and leave the character block untouched. Define personality and style so expressions match over time. Note that she's cheerful and curious, with friendly expressions, light blushing, and small smiles. These cues keep the emotional range consistent and help transitions feel natural from clip to clip. Consistent micro expressions matter just as much as hair or clothes when you're cutting rapidly. Add firm rules to remove ambiguity. State that she always has the same outfit and hairstyle, maintains the same facial features, and keeps proportions consistent. Repeating these constraints in every prompt reduces drift and prevents subtle changes between shots. Before you generate, make sure your account is on a paid plan. That unlocks video output and gives better quality, faster processing, and higher resolution. Upgrading before you start avoids interruptions later. If you run into limits or missing options, it's usually because the plan doesn't include advanced generation. That's the setup. Go to Grok, open Imagine, and write a reusable prompt with the character name, fixed appearance, personality cues, and strict rules, then confirm your plan supports video. Save the prompt as a template and reuse it for each scene to keep your character consistent from first frame to last.